Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, Group Policy MVP and founder of PolicyPak Software. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly dictate the default browser based upon the browsers that are actually on or not on the machine because of FSLogix. So in this example, this guy is eSales user 1 and he's being exposed the Chrome browser. Let me go ahead and show you what happens if I were to go to, say, WordPad. WordPad, and get an email or just get any link at all through email, Skype, anything at all. And what happens? Well, the default browser of Internet Explorer opens. That's not what you want. You want Chrome to be your default browser. Let me go ahead and sign out here and show you what happens for West Sales User 1. West Sales User 1 with FSLogix is being shown only the Firefox browser. Let's see that. West Sales User 1. Okay, because of FSLogix, we're only going to see the Firefox browser, but we're going to have the exact same problem. If you were to go to WordPad or you get a link from Skype or something and you go to abc.com, what happens? The default browser once again is going to be not the browser you want, but instead Internet Explorer. And you can see it's trying to get started over here in the background. So what I'll go ahead and do is log off of this. Okay, I'll go ahead and sign out here. And I'll go over to my group policy management console here. And for all of my salespeople, which is going to affect East Sales and West Sales, okay, two completely different OUs here with different people in them, I'm going to use PolicyPak and FSLogix to manage browsers. Okay, and this is going to be the first of a series of little base hit videos. So I'll keep using the same group policy object in the remaining of them. So I'll go ahead and click Edit here. And what I want to do is I want to say on the user side, PolicyPak, browser router, I want to have two what's called collections, which are kind of little thought bubbles. So collection 1 is when I have Firefox. And the second collection is going to be when I have Chrome. Okay, so how do we detect when we have Firefox or when we have Chrome? Well, it's easy to do. We're going to right click and change the item level targeting. We're going to sniff it and see if we actually have it. So we're going to match a file match based upon if Chrome is there or not. So I happen to have Chrome on this machine to make the demo go a little bit faster, but I'm just saying if Chrome exists on the endpoint, boom, boom, then that lights up as orange. For this one, when I have Firefox, we'll change the item level targeting and say when the file match exists of, let me go backward to Mozilla Firefox, and Firefox.exe. So do this stuff when I have Firefox. So what's the thing we said we wanted to do? We want to quickly and easily add a new what's called default browser policy. And when we have Firefox, boom, we want to set it to the Firefox browser, just like that. We've set the default browser, Firefox, when they have Firefox. And in the Chrome little thought bubble, we're going to set a new policy. We'll call this, not a new policy, rather, new default browser. We'll get to new policy a little later. New default browser for Chrome when we see Chrome. So it's just as simple as that. We've created these two little collections. These collections have little smarts on them. When I have Firefox, make Firefox my default browser. When I have Chrome, make Chrome my default browser. Let's go ahead and let me log off here and show you what this would look like in your environment. No magic tricks or anything else up my sleeve. Let me go ahead and log out here. I'll log on as East Sales User 1 first. East Sales User 1 first. Okay, now that he's there, remember, we've got Internet Explorer and Chrome. And 10 seconds ago, when I went to abc.com, it went to the default browser, which was Internet Explorer. Now we're dynamically setting the default browser to Chrome. Let's see that that actually works. We'll click on this, click yes, and boom, Chrome appears just the way we would expect because PolicyPak is in charge here. And let's go ahead and we'll log off. And I'll log on as West Sales User 1, who only has Firefox. West Sales User 1. Okay. He's only got Firefox and Internet Explorer. If I were to go to WordPad and go to abc.com, what's going to happen? We're setting the default browser on the fly based upon the conditions you choose. And FSLogix is doing the hiding the masking of the applications. In our case, it was Chrome and Firefox. So in this way, you can dynamically set the default browser based upon the browsers they actually have. I hope this helps you out, and if you're looking to get started soon, fill out the form and we'll get you the bits. You can try it out yourself, and off to the races. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.